Suppose we roll a 6-sided die 11 times and want to determine the probability of rolling a 6 every time. The result? 0.000000276. Since there are so many zeros, this notation is quite cumbersome. Scientific notation offers a clearer way to express such numbers. We begin by extracting all the zeros out and then multiply by the non-zero part of our number. Writing the second component as a power of 10, we end up with 2.76 times 10 to the power of minus 9. This representation is called scientific notation. There's 3 key components to highlight. We have exactly 1 digit before the decimal point. We multiply by a power base 10. And we have an integer value in the power. So, what's the easiest way to convert a number into scientific notation? First, we identify where the decimal should be placed, ensuring that only one non-zero digit appears before it. Next, count how many places the decimal must move. This is the number which will be written inside the power of 10. The final step is determining whether the power should be positive or negative. Large numbers correspond to positive powers and small numbers correspond to negative powers. Since this example involves a large number, we write plus 5 as our power. Here's another example. We locate where the decimal should be placed, then count the number of places the decimal needs to move. Since our original number is small, we will write negative 4 into the power instead of positive 4. To convert from scientific notation to decimal form, we reverse the process. In this example, the power of 6 means the decimal point must move 6 places. Since the power is positive, the resulting number should be large, so we must move the decimal to the right. Writing in some trailing zeros and shifting the decimal 6 places to the right gives us the final value, 7,250,000. In our second example, the power of negative 3 means the decimal point must move 3 places. Since the power is negative, the resulting number should be small. This means the decimal point must move to the left. Writing in some leading zeros and shifting the decimal 3 places to the left gives us a value of 0.0041.